morning, welcome to my new vlog.
Assalamualaikum.
Ever wondered what's really happening behind those perfectly edited daily vlogs? What they are not showing you could shock you and change the way you see your favorite vloggers forever. Welcome to Sallu Zone. Today we are diving into the hidden world of daily vloggers. Those creators who seem to have the perfect lives. They upload every day, sharing their food, travels, relationships, but behind the scenes, things might not be as perfect as they seem. Stay with me for the next 3 minutes as I reveal the pressures, the sacrifices, and yes, the shocking truths about this seemingly glamorous world. On the surface, daily vlogging looks like a dream job. Fame, money, and endless adventures, but here is the reality. They are not just living their lives, they are performing them. Every smile, every meal, every movement is carefully crafted for the camera, and here is where it gets shocking. Many vloggers admit to feeling trapped by their own success.
So I haven't had social media in about 8 months. I think it's 8 months. The reason I deleted social media is simply because I had a fear of staying in the spot that I was at. I was looking at other people's lives. I wasn't living my own life. I had no time, even though that's just a shit excuse for the fact that I would spend 8 hours a day on social media.
They have to keep up the perfect life every single day or risk losing their audience. Think about it. Documenting your life daily means there is no escape. Every argument, every bad day, every movement is either filmed or fact. This constant pressure can lead to anxiety, depression, and burnout. Some vloggers have even admitted to scripting parts of their lives just to keep things exciting for viewers. It's not real life, it's reality TV in disguise. And what about us, the viewers? Watching these perfect lives makes us feel like we are missing out, like our own lives are boring or incomplete. But remember, you are only seeing the highlights.
Do not compare yourself to anyone's life that you see on social media, because you're seeing the showreel of highlights, whether you call it a highlight or a carefully cultivated showreel of how their life looks. You're not seeing the behind the scenes. You're not seeing the other moments. If you want to scroll on my Insta page, you're going to see the highlights of my life.
Yeah.
You're not seeing the in-between moments. You're not seeing the moments of doubt. You're not seeing the moments of insecurity. You're not seeing the moments of unhappiness. You're not seeing the moments of having a very bad day, not feeling confident about the way you look.
It's okay to enjoy their content, but don't compare your behind the scenes to their highlight reel. Life isn't always about filters and likes. It's about real movements. So what's the takeaway? Daily vloggers aren't superheroes. They are just people trying to keep up with an exhausting routine. Appreciate their work, but don't let it make you feel inferior. And if you have learned something new today, hit the like button, subscribe to Sallu Zone, and share this video with someone who needs to hear this message. Stay real, stay confident. See you in the next video.